everybody, this is another Your Nutrition in 90 Seconds. So today, briefly, I want to talk about 5 more superfoods, and this is going to be the vegetable version. And superfoods are just pretty much foods that can be considered great for your health and well-being. It's very beneficial for you. So we're going to talk about 5 vegetables that you can add to your diet that would be great. Number 1 would be kale. So I know y'all probably heard of kale. It's a great green to add, and it's very inexpensive because a lot of times people say eating healthy is expensive, but very inexpensive. So that is one vegetable you can add to your diet. Number 2, spinach. Spinach, I eat a lot of spinach. If you know my smoothies, I'm always doing spinach. So spinach is very easy to add to dishes, easy to add to your meals, great source of fiber, folic acid, a lot of great benefits in spinach. So that's number 2. Number 3, carrots. We know about carrots, you have to hear about. Great for your eyesight and all that. So carrots, great source of vitamin A, a lot of other benefits. So you do want to add carrots to your meals. You can eat them raw, or you can add them to soups. Of course, vegetable soups, plenty of ways to do carrots. Next, we'll have broccoli. Now, broccoli will probably be my number 1 vegetable. I remember when I was in school as a nutritionist and all that, I was eating broccoli probably almost every day, it seemed like. But I ate a lot of broccoli. So broccoli, love broccoli. That's probably one of my number 1 vegetables. Last but not least, we're going to talk about sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of antioxidants, and you know that, great source of antioxidants as well. Potassium, you can bake them, of course. You can add them in soups, you can add them in chilies, you can top it, you can stuff it. So sweet potatoes are another great vegetable that you can actually choose. So those are the 5: kale, broccoli, sweet potatoes, carrots, and what's the last one I said? Spinach. So those are 5 you can add to your diet. If you're not eating those on a regular basis, those are 5 you can add to your diet and consume on a regular basis. But that's all for your Nutrition 90 Seconds. Don't forget to check out www.stepsforchange.net and also check out the book Tasty